How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our K-Force TIR Super Takedown. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables here. Now you'll notice a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional Supreme control, or you can cut this off in hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your main power cables, which I went ahead and ran to power here. Now when it comes to your Supreme control, you have two options. So we have our handheld Supreme control and our standard Supreme control box. And for demonstration purposes, I'll be using our standard Supreme control. So let's go ahead and get this light bar turned on and go over the features. So I went ahead and plugged in my Supreme control box here. Now with our Supreme control, the first position will activate the back of your light bar, the second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in 360 mode. And since this is a Super Takedown bar, you'll have your Super TD button here as well, which will override the flashing functionality of your light bar, or you can operate that independently as well. And then all of our light bars come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, so you can cycle to a pattern you'd like, and then once you find a pattern, you can go ahead and turn your light bar off and back on, and you'll have memory recall. And then another really cool feature with our optional Supreme control is you can program a different flash pattern per slide switch. So I have a pattern set here on slide position 3, I can go back to 2 and program a pattern here, and then same thing for my first position as well. And then my light bar will remember those patterns per slide switch position, which is a really cool feature with our Supreme control. Now let's go over our takedown, alley, and cruise functions. So here you have your takedown, alley, and cruise functions, and since this is a Super Takedown bar, you also have your Super Takedown mode. And then we also offer a multicolor upgrade for your alley lights here, to where when they are flashing, they will flash the warning color ordered of your light bar, and then when you activate that function, they will go to Steady Burn Clear. And then your cruise mode is your 4-corner cruise lights in Steady Burn. And all of these will override the flashing functionality of your light bar, or you can operate those independently as well. Now let's go over your traffic advising features. So I went ahead and turned my light bar around here, and you'll notice that you'll have 6 amber traffic advising modules across the back of your light bar. And you have center out, you have left right, and you also have right left here. And we also offer a multicolor upgrade here, to where when these modules are flashing with your light bar, they will flash the warning color ordered of your light bar, and then when you activate your traffic advisor, these modules will go to amber. And the traffic advising function will override the flashing functionality of your light bar, or you can operate the traffic advisor independently as well. Now I did bring a standard red-blue color setup here, but we offer this light bar in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, or alternating, and you can even use our Customize a Light Bar tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. So here I brought an amber color unit, and here I brought a green clear alternating. But again, you can get any color using amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, or alternating. And again, you can use our customization tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal, and then you'll notice you'll have extra drainage holes for even additional moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included light bar feet here, and these are adjustable along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then you'll see that you get your included universal gutter mount brackets here, and then we also offer optional vehicle specific gutter mount brackets as well. And then you'll also see our optional permanent stud mount brackets and our headache rack brackets. Now if you'd like to go with those will replace your light bar feet using the existing hardware. So that covers our K-Force TIR Super Takedown. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all the flash patterns that are included with this unit, and also make sure to check out our interactive player located on the product page. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.